In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects in Wix Studio. If you're looking to bring your website to life with interactive elements that respond when users hover over them, you're in the right place. Hover effects are a great way to enhance user engagement and create a more dynamic and polished look for your site. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Wix Studio, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's easy to follow and implement. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Wix Studio and log into your account. Use your preferred method to log in, whether it's through Google or another option. Just go ahead and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio dashboard, where you'll see all the projects you're currently working on. Next, select the project you want to edit. This is where you'll be adding the hover effect, so make sure you've chosen the right one. Once you're inside your project, identify the element or text on your page that you want to apply the hover effect to. This could be a button, an image, or even a text box, whatever element you'd like to make interactive. Now, click on the element you've chosen. When you do, you'll notice a toolbar or options panel appear. In that panel, locate the animation icon. It typically resembles a small animation screen, so it should be relatively easy to spot. Click on it to open up the animation settings for your selected element. From the animation menu, you'll see several options, and one of them will be labeled Hover. Go ahead and click on that option. This is where the magic starts to happen. Once you're in the hover settings, click on the Add button. This step enables hover effects for your selected element, which means you're now ready to choose the specific style of hover animation you want to use. Wix Studio offers a variety of hover effects to choose from. Some examples include rotate, scale, and more. Take a moment to explore the options and think about what would best suit the style and purpose of your website. When you've found one you like, simply click on your desired effect to apply it to your element. At this stage, it's a good idea to preview your changes. To do this, click on the Preview button. This allows you to see what the hover effect looks like in real time and make sure it's working as you envisioned. Testing your changes is an important step because it gives you the chance to confirm that your chosen effect complements your overall design. If needed, you can also refine the hover effect further. Wix Studio provides additional settings you can adjust to customize the animation to your liking. For example, you might want to tweak the duration, intensity, or direction of the effect. Take your time here to fine-tune the details until you're fully satisfied with the result. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hover effect to your element in Wix Studio. This simple yet powerful feature can make a big difference in how users interact with your site and help you create a professional, polished look. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.